Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to maintain your tools or your pliers. So your pliers, when you brought brand new, it should just go like that. Good clack. Okay, what some people might have, which I've found myself, even with this Clipsal pliers, Channellock pliers, whatever brand of pliers that you have, or marble. If you get stiff and you can't open it, like it goes like that, and you try and open it, it won't open. What you do is open up. I use Inox, but you can use WD-40. Connect the tube up to it. And from there, you spray into these sections here, the bottom section, and along here as well. Give it a little bit of time, work it in, and then no time at all, after that, it should work, it should last you. Now I noticed that a lot of electricians and apprentices do throw away their pliers because they're too stiff and they can't figure out how to do it. The modern generations of electricians and apprentices, I should be saying, is the modern generation of electricians do not know how to keep the tools maintained, and generally when they come up to the stage of the pliers stiff can't be used, or the nails, the drill bit that you just used got blunt, the hole has been blunt, there is a way, and you can sharpen them, but you just need to learn how to. So if an older electrician comes up here and says, "Oh, you need to sharpen your drill bit, it's blunt," listen to them and ask them how. If the electrician is maybe 50 years old, 60 years old, or maybe more, maybe 70 years old, you ask them because they'll know. They also know how to drill into metal, into timber properly without burning the drill bits. That's the most important thing. That's why you go out and spend money on not only tools, drill bits, and drills.